Discover the sweet science behind creating the perfect marshmallow, where modern technology and tradition meet to make a delightful treat enjoyed by many. So, how do they do it? The journey of making marshmallows begins with selecting high-quality ingredients. The key components include sugar, corn syrup, water, gelatin, and flavorings. Factories source the best types of sugar and corn syrup to ensure consistency and sweetness. Gelatin, the ingredient responsible for the marshmallow's fluffy texture, is chosen based on its purity and quality. Flavorings like vanilla extract are added for taste. Each ingredient is meticulously measured to maintain the perfect balance. By starting with the finest ingredients, producers set the stage for creating marshmallows that are light, fluffy, and delicious. The quality of these ingredients directly influences the final product's taste and texture, making this first step incredibly important. Once the ingredients are selected and prepared, they are ready to be combined to form the marshmallow base. Once the ingredients are selected, the process of creating the marshmallow base begins. Sugar, corn syrup, and water are combined in large industrial mixers and heated to a precise temperature. This heating process ensures the sugar dissolves completely, creating a smooth syrup. Gelatin is then added to the mixture, which is whipped at high speeds to incorporate air. This whipping process gives marshmallows their signature light and airy texture. The mixture is continuously whipped until it reaches the desired consistency, transforming into a fluffy marshmallow base ready for shaping. Factories use advanced machinery to control the temperature and whipping speed, ensuring consistency in every batch. The creation of the marshmallow base is a delicate balance of ingredients and technique, resulting in a mixture that is perfectly smooth and ready for the next step. The next step is shaping the marshmallows. The fluffy mixture is transferred to large molds or extrusion machines that shape it into long, continuous ropes or individual pieces. If ropes are formed, they are cut into uniform pieces using sharp blades. Factories use advanced machinery to ensure each marshmallow is shaped precisely, maintaining consistency in size and form. This step also includes the addition of coatings, like powdered sugar or cornstarch, to prevent sticking. The shaped marshmallows are then conveyed to the drying and setting area, ready for the next stage. This shaping process is crucial in ensuring the final product is uniform and visually appealing. Modern technology allows for precise control over the size and shape of each marshmallow, resulting in a product that meets consumer expectations. Drying and setting are important steps to achieving the perfect marshmallow texture. The shaped marshmallows are placed on trays or conveyor belts and moved to drying rooms where temperature and humidity are carefully controlled. This controlled environment allows excess moisture to evaporate, firming up the marshmallows without making them too hard. The drying process can take several hours, depending on the size and type of marshmallow being produced. Once dried, the marshmallows are allowed to cool and set, ensuring they retain their shape and fluffy texture. Proper drying and setting are essential to achieving a product that is not only delicious, but also has a long shelf life. This step ensures the marshmallows are ready for quality control and packaging, maintaining their freshness and quality. Quality control is a continuous process throughout marshmallow production. At every stage, from ingredient selection to drying, rigorous inspections and tests are conducted. Each batch undergoes visual inspections to ensure uniformity in size, color, and texture. Taste tests are also performed to ensure the flavor meets high standards. Additionally, advanced laboratory tests check for contaminants and proper ingredient ratios. This thorough quality control process ensures that only the best marshmallows make it to the packaging stage, providing consumers with a consistently delicious product. Quality control measures are crucial in maintaining consumer trust and satisfaction. By ensuring that each batch meets strict standards, producers can deliver a product that is safe, tasty, and reliable. Packaging is the final step in preparing marshmallows for distribution and sale. The marshmallows are carefully measured and placed into bags or boxes, which are then sealed to maintain freshness. This process occurs in a controlled environment to ensure hygiene and safety. Each package is labeled with essential information, including the type of marshmallow, production date, and storage instructions. These labels provide transparency and build consumer trust. Some producers also offer eco-friendly packaging options using recyclable or biodegradable materials, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. Once packaged, the marshmallows are stored in temperature-controlled facilities to preserve their quality until they are ready for distribution. This careful handling ensures that the marshmallows remain fresh and flavorful from the factory to the consumer's table. Proper packaging not only protects the product from damage and contamination, but also ensures that customers receive a high-quality product they can enjoy. By maintaining strict packaging standards, producers guarantee that each bag or box of marshmallows meets consumer expectations, delivering a delightful treat every time. Once packaged, the marshmallows are ready for shipping and distribution. The containers are carefully transported to warehouses and distribution centers, where they are stored until they are shipped to retailers and customers. Efficient logistics play a crucial role in ensuring that the marshmallows reach their destination quickly and in optimal condition. Temperature-controlled transportation is used to prevent any degradation of the product during transit, maintaining the marshmallow's freshness and quality. At the warehouses, the marshmallows are stored in temperature-controlled environments to ensure they remain fresh until they are ready to be shipped to retailers. Retailers then stock the marshmallows on their shelves, making them readily available to consumers. This entire shipping and distribution process is meticulously designed to maintain the quality and freshness of the marshmallows, ensuring that customers receive a product that meets their expectations. Proper handling and storage during shipping are essential for delivering a high-quality product to consumers. By adhering to these standards, producers can guarantee that each marshmallow retains its softness, flavor, and overall quality, providing a delightful treat for consumers every time. The commitment to maintaining quality from the factory to the consumer's table is what ensures that marshmallows are enjoyed at their best, no matter where they are purchased. Finally, the marshmallows reach consumers through various retail channels, including grocery stores, specialty shops, and online platforms. Customers can choose from a variety of flavors and shapes to suit their preferences. The packaging provides clear instructions on how to store and use the product, making it easy for consumers to incorporate marshmallows into their recipes or enjoy them as a snack. Whether for s'mores, baking, or simply eating straight out of the bag, marshmallows offer a versatile and enjoyable treat. The entire production process, from ingredient selection to reaching the consumer, ensures that the final product is fresh, tasty, and ready to delight. So there you have it, the fascinating journey from high-quality ingredients to the fluffy marshmallows we all love. This process artfully combines modern technology with traditional methods to deliver treats cherished by many. If you want to explore more exciting stories and innovative ways in beverage and food production, watch our next video.